L'imparfait, as we call it in English, the imperfect, is a French past tense. It described the states and actions which were ongoing or repeated in the past. L'imparfait is the equivalence of simple past. For example, the sentences like I did it, I went to school, I drank tea, or it can be used to structure the sentences with used to, would, and past continuous. The sentences the same as I was going to school, I was doing it, I was drinking tea, and so on. Hello French learners, it's Soji and you're watching my YouTube channel Soji French Learning Language. In this video, we are going to talk about the grammatical points of l'imparfait in French, how to conjugate that, the exceptions in conjugation, and all the situations in which l'imparfait is used. So let's start the video. To conjugate l'imparfait in French, we use the present tense stem of the first person plural form, the conjugation of nous, and after that we add the fixed ending. The endings of l'imparfait are used for all the verbs in French. For example, you have the verb of the first group ends with er, like aimer. The conjugation of nous is nous aimons. So we omit ons at the end of the verb, and after that we conjugate it like this.
J'aimais, tu aimais, il, elle aimait, nous aimions, vous aimiez, ils, elles aimaient.
And now the conjugations of the verbs in second group ends with ir, like finir. The conjugation with nous will be nous finissons. We omit ons and we just use finis. The conjugation will be like this.
Je finissais, tu finissais, il, elle finissait, nous finissions, vous finissiez, il, elle finissait.
The conjugation of avoir is the same as the rule, but être is totally different, and you just need to memorize it.
J'étais, tu étais, il, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils, elles étaient.
And now when do we use l'imparfait in French? Number one, to talk about description. It can be age, feeling, health, weather, time, and so on. For example, il pleuvait, mais elle avait un parapluie. Repeat after me. Il pleuvait, mais elle avait un parapluie. It is talking about weather. The second example, quand j'avais 6 ans, j'étais souvent malade. It is talking about age at the same time, maladie, health. Number two, habitual action or state of being. For instance, l'année dernière, nous allons au ciné chaque vendredi. This sentence means going to the cinema was our habit last year. Number two, je m'ennuyais souvent. This is the example of state of being. Background information is the next situation of l'imparfait. Imagine you want to tell a story to someone, or you want to talk about an accident or event. You don't start your story with the main action. Before that, you need to prepare your audience. You need to set the scene, or in general, give some background information. So you start your story with the sentences like j'étais au bureau quand, j'étais au parc quand, and then talk about the rest of the story.